Good morning guys, and in front of me is WIKO U Pulse, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. But first open the settings, then find and select display right here and go to wallpaper. Now pick the source from which you want to select your wallpaper. It can be one from live wallpapers, photos or wallpapers album. Let me choose wallpapers. Select the picture that you want to cover your screen with. Then you can customize it however you like, or not. Let me just check it. No, it is not possible to zoom it in or out, so you have to stick with the current display. And then just tap on set wallpaper if you want to pick this one. And that's it. As you can see, from now on, this wallpaper is covering your home screen. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.